Let's go back in time, back to when there was no rhyme. It happens once, it happens twice, it repeats itself like a head full of lice. The king and queen ruled the scene, but many thought that they were mean. Philosophers were coming about, and they made the people with power pout. Enlightenment ideas challenged authority. It all started with a little minority. John Locke was one of the few who made the life of people seem new. He came about with the natural rights and wouldn't stop without a fight. Adam Hobbes was another who wanted monarchy to spread to the brothers. Adam Smith wrote The Wealth of Nations. I guess you could say he started dictation. Montesquieu started the tree. The three branch of government is the way to be. Voltaire said people have a voice because the king gave them no choice. Thomas Jefferson wrote the Declaration, and it changed everything in the nation. Isaac Newton started using reasoning, and it spread just like Italian seasoning. All of these men worked a great strive just to keep everyone alive. So out with the old, in with the new. Goodbye clouds of gray, hello skies of blue.